Alright, well, got the new wood laid down. The cut pieces that will be cut out. Some of it we can use as a template. So I've used the areas where it was notched out for the lift system and the stabilization bars. And I got it kind of marked out now. Speed's good.
So here in a second, when DJ is done cutting the wood, I am going to get the drill and sand all of this so that I can paint it with the undercoat painting. Just to make it kind of match. We already did the poles, so they look nice. I want to be able to paint all of that and make it look nice as well. Alright, so when I was painting the undercoat, I decided to also get this door area, which was starting to rust, and I also got all of the little screws right there. And it's a small detail. You can see where I painted a little bit right there, and then it gets rusty. And I also got right here. I mean, it's not a big deal. It's gonna scrape and whatnot, but I mean, it's a little more finished.
Excited and nervous at the same time.
Me too. Baby, you're going to do a great job. Do you need my help over there? I can try and rig up the camera. You did it. Yay, TJ.
Getting this liquid nail ready so I can glue down the fender wells. Also lay some liquid nail down so to help with stability. And I'm going to add a few more screws for stability at the front door because that was really rotten and weak. So I want to keep most of the stability. And then I'm pretty much just going to throw in some self-tapping hex heads around the edges inside. Then we're going to go outside and screw the bottoms up, and we'll have a really good stable frame. So I'm getting at it. Alright, getting all my measurements for the last piece of wood to go in. And then we're going to screw her down, call it a day.
Do you like it? Do you like our new floors? Yes? Is that good? All right.
You're so silly.
Yay.
Boom.
He goes, I know you fed me. Come and feed me.
That's all, folks.